Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that till our yesterday's class or last week class we have completed with our unit 8. Today we are going to start our unit 9 and in that we will do a quiz, different quizzes that is related to all those pages which we have done earlier, and model test paper and few revision pages will be there. So in that unit 9 we basically do questions related to that only. Now let's start questions, and along with that question only I'm going to tell you few of the things related to that particular question. So now let's start quiz yourself 1. First question is, what is the capital of India? Now as you all are aware of it that India is our country and each country has its own capital. If I am talking about other countries, then every country is having its own capital. Similarly, India is also having our capital, that is New Delhi. So first of all, in question 1 you will write the answer New Delhi. New Delhi. Now if you are giving answer that Delhi is the capital of India, so that will be incorrect. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Fine. New Delhi is the capital of our country. So now what next? Next question is, now about New Delhi, different monuments you will find it out in New Delhi, and all these monuments are related to Mughal time. When Mughals were ruling our country at that time, they were more often of making the architecture, making the monument. Then at that time they have formed all these monuments that are like Qutub Minar, and then they have Humayun's tomb and different Jama Masjid. These are quite important monuments from our history. So now number 2, and what else which is famous about New Delhi, that is your Parliament House. All the presidential and prime ministers or these members of legislative assemblies, they were living over there only. Now number 2, where was Humpty Dumpty sitting when he had a great fall? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, and then Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. So here the answer of number 2 is wall. So that we have done in that chapter related to poem. Now come to third, the Pied Piper of Hamelin came to get rid of which animal from the town? The Pied Piper of Hamelin. See, there is a short story behind this Pied Piper of Hamelin. This is a short story. Once there was a village, that is, the name of that village is Hamelin. So in that village they were having lot of rats. Lot of everywhere, wherever you will go now, you just find it out rats only. And the people, those who were living in that Hamelin village, they were quite fed up with all these rats. So they had a thought to remove the rats, but they'll do lot of things, but one day the rat will go and the other day they will come again. So now what happened? One day a Pied Piper has came to the village, and when that Pied Piper started making sound from its flute, all the rats are dancing and going behind that Pied Piper. And what that Pied Piper has done, now the people of Hamelin, they had a thought that all the rats were hearing the sound of that Pied Piper. So they have done a deal with Pied Piper, and Pied Piper has deal was that they will give that some money to that Pied Piper, so that that Pied Piper can settle down in the village. And the other part of that deal is there, that Pied Piper will blow the pipe and remove all the rats from the village. So the deal was done. The Pied Piper started blowing the pipe, and then that rats started dancing and going behind the Pied Piper. That Pied Piper taken all those rats and closed them in a rock shelter, rock kind of a गुफा में उसको बंद कर दिया. And then came back to the village. Now villagers have had a thought कि now he has removed the, अब तो इसने सारे rats को remove कर दिया. Now we don't need to give anything to the Pied Piper. Fine. So उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने they denied कि हम आपको कुछ नहीं देंगे. And now तो rats were removed and rats अब चले गए, and now nobody will be scared of it. अब तो आपको हम कुछ नहीं देंगे. And that Pied Piper is having an idea of this. तो Pied Piper ने क्या किया, Pied Piper वापस गया वहां पे, and उसने गुफा में से all the rats were वहां से फ्री कर दिया. And all these rats came again into the village. And then all those people started begging to the Pied Piper कि नहीं नहीं प्लीज आप हमें ये रैट से बचा लो, एंड देन विल पे योर मनी, हम आपको मनी दे देंगे, एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये है वो है ना करके. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, दैट Pied Piper हैज सेड कि नो, फर्स्ट यू विल गिव मी मनी एंड आफ्टर दैट ओनली आई विल रिमूव द रैट्स. सो ऑल द पीपल एग्रीड, ये ओके फाइन, will pay you in advance, and they have given the payment for removing that rat from the village. And then Pied Piper started blowing the pipe, and all the rats started coming behind the Pied Piper, and then that Pied Piper has thrown those rats from a hill. And then this is the story of Pied Piper of the Hamelin. And this Pied Piper has removed rats from the village. Rats from the village. Now, number 4. Which animal pulls Santa's sledge? Santa's sledge. Reindeer. Santa's sledge is pulled by reindeers. Reindeers. Reindeers is a kind of an animal. It's just similar to deer only, and long horns it has. And then reindeers were used to pull Santa's sledge. Now, how many moons does the earth have? How many moons does the earth have? Now the earth have only one moon, which you can see in the sky also. So the earth is having only one moon. Now come to number 6. Tea is grown on hill slopes. True or false? Yes, it is true. Tea is grown on hilly slopes. Fine. ढलान वाली जो सीढ़ी नुमा कहते हैं उसको, ढलान वाले जो आपके खेत होते हैं, इन दैट दे ग्रो टी, so that they can move step by step and they will take it out all these tea leaves. Now what next? Our earth is flat and has 4 corners. It's true or false? Obviously it is false. Our earth is in not flat, it is in oval shape. Fine. So obviously the 7th statement is false. Our earth is not flat. Now eighth one is, on which date do people celebrate Republic Day in India? So in India we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. See, and Independence Day we were celebrating on 15th of August, and Republic Day we will celebrating on 26th of January. After independence, it took 3 years to get republic. So in the year 1950, our country India got republic, and from 1950 we started celebrating Republic Day on 26th January. Now find the odd one out. Ninth one is find the odd one out. You have been given with 4 options: snake, cheetah, hyena and wolf. Which one is odd one out? Snake, cheetah, hyena and wolf. Now snake is odd one out. Rest all the animals have 4 legs. Rest all the animals have 4 legs. So now snake is odd one out here. Snake is odd one out here. Now come to number 10. Which of these characters from stories had a magic lamp? Mowgli, Aladdin or Little Red Riding Hood? So Aladdin is having a magical lamp, and when that Aladdin is rubbing that lamp, then jinn was coming out from that lamp. So Aladdin, here the correct answer is Aladdin. Aladdin is having a magic lamp. Now number 11. Number 11 is number 11. We'll do it. Now what is number 11? That which sport does Saina Nehwal play? Which sport does Saina Nehwal plays? That is badminton. Badminton. Saina Nehwal plays badminton. Now which of these come from a plant? Silk, wool or cotton? Silk we are getting from cocoon, from silkworm, which is an insect. Wool we are getting from sheep, which is again an animal. But cotton we are getting from cotton plants. So here the correct answer is cotton. Cotton we are getting from cotton plants. And the state which produce maximum number of cotton, that is Punjab. In the Punjab, production of cotton is maximum. So now we'll do question number 13. Which of these document is always necessary if you have to travel abroad? Abroad means if you are going to some other country, then which document is very important? Passport, birth certificate or credit card? So here passport is an important document and you must have it. If you are going or if you are traveling to other country, then you must have a passport. Now number 14, which of these is made from cocoa? Tea, coffee or chocolate? From cocoa we made chocolate. Fine? Chocolate syrup, chocolate, eatable chocolates and different things of chocolate we made from cocoa. Coffee is made from coffee beans. Beans were there and from that beans coffee is formed. And tea is made from tea leaves. So what is left? Chocolate. Chocolate is made up of from cocoa. So with this We have completed our quiz yourself 1. Now we are going to start our page number next page, that is quiz yourself 2. That is page number 72. So let's start that page number 72, quiz yourself 2. See now here, quiz yourself 1 and quiz yourself 2, that is question related to those pages only which you have already done. So one thing only you have to do, you have to revise all these chapters and then you can do these quiz. Now what next? Quiz yourself 2, page number 72 and 2. First question, how many days does February have in a leap year? So first of all, in a leap year we have 366 days. In a leap year we have 366 days. So the one day which increased in leap year, that will be added in the month of February, because already the February month is the shortest month of the year. So here we have 29 days in the month of February in a leap year. Right? So what was the question? How many days does February have in a leap year? So here the answer is 29 days are there in the month of February in a leap year. Now come to next question. What is the capital of Bangladesh? As I told you, each country has its own capital. When we have done in the last quiz, we have done what is the capital of India. So at that time I have told you that each country has its own capital, and then we have that country is divided into states and each state is also having its capital. So here what is the capital of Bangladesh? Bangladesh, which is our neighboring country, capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Dhaka. Dhaka is a capital of Bangladesh. Now come to question number 3. Which is the holy book of Muslims? Which is the holy book of Muslims? That is Quran. Quran. Then, which sense organ help us to feel touch? Which sense organ help us to feel touch? How many sense organ we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Eyes to see, ear to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to feel. So with which sense organ we will feel touch? With skin. With skin we will feel and touch. Now next is, whom does a veterinary doctor treat? Who does a veterinary doctor treats? Veterinary doctor treats animals. Animals. Veterinary doctor treats animals. Now which is the world's highest waterfall? Which is the world's highest waterfall? So here the highest waterfall is Angel Falls. That is Angel Falls. Number 6 is Angel Falls. Now come to number 7. What is 7th question? That is, find the odd one out. tulip, lavender, hibiscus and kiwi. Tulip, lavender, hibiscus and kiwi. So tulip, lavender and hibiscus, all these three are flowers and kiwi is a fruit. So here the odd one out is kiwi. Here the odd one out is kiwi. Fine. Now we'll come to next, which is the world's longest river. So this I have told you which is the world's longest river, that is Nile River. Nile River is the world's longest river. And according to the volume, then Amazon River is the largest. Now, which is the major mountain system found in North India, that is Himalayan range? Himalayan range is the major mountain system which we found in North India. Now come to next, which animal found in Sundarbans include the word Royal Bengal in its name? So as we have done in that chapter also, in Sundarban we found Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger. Now which sport does Manchester United play? Which sport does Manchester United play? So here we play football. So here the answer is football. Football is played by Manchester United. Fine. Because there are few of the games which was played in that particular part only. So one of that in Manchester United we play football. Now which is the world's largest country? That we have already done. Which is the world's largest country? That is Russia. Russia is the world's largest country. Russia is the world's largest country, and from Russia we can make almost 5 India. 5 India can be made from that one Russia. That this much area of land is accumulated by Russia. Fine. Now come to next. Which ocean is found to the south of India? That is Indian Ocean. Number 13 is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Number 14 will do it now. 14 is what? Which is the longest river flowing in India? Longest river which is flowing in India, that is Ganga River. Ganga River. So let's revise once again. Quiz yourself too. Let's revise once again, and after that these two quizzes you will complete and learn it all. So that is your homework. So let's start. How many days does February have in a leap year? So in this question you will remember one more question, that how many total number of days are there in a year, in a leap year. So here the answer of that question will be 366. Normally we have 365 days. So the one day which increased in this, that day will go in the month of February. Because February is already shortfall of 3 days. Means only 28 days were there. So in the leap year, when one day will be increased, that one day will be goes into the month of February. Now number 2. So what? How many days were there in the month of February in a leap year? Here the answer is 29 days. 29 days are there in a month of February in a leap year. Now come to number 2. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Now number 3, which is the holy book of Muslims? That is Quran. Quran Sharif is the holy book of Muslims. Now number 4, which sense organ help us to feel and touch? Which sense organ help us to feel, touch? So we have 5 sense organ as I have told you just now: eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. And eyes is to see, ear is to hear, nose is to smell, tongue is to taste and skin is used to feel, touch. So here the correct answer is skin. Now, whom does a veterinary doctor treat? Now, veterinary doctor treats animals. Now, next is, which is the world's highest waterfall? Highest waterfall of world is Angel Falls. Angel Falls is the world highest waterfall. So now we'll come to next 7th one. Find the odd one out. Tulip, lavender, hibiscus and kiwi. 4 options were there. Tulip, lavender and hibiscus are an example of flower. So here the odd one out is kiwi, because kiwi is a fruit. Now, which is the world's longest river? Longest river of the world, that is Nile River. If here we are if somebody will ask that which is the largest river of the world, then your answer by the volume. Now this question will be there by the volume. Fine, by the volume is maximum water is there in which river. So here the answer will be Amazon. Now, which is the major mountain system found in North India? That is Himalayan mountain range. Which animal found in Sundarban Delta includes the word Royal Bengal in its name? Now Sundarban Delta we will find it out in West Bengal, and Sundarban Delta is formed when Ganga and Brahmaputra meet at one place. And at that place, because 2 very large rivers enter from 2 sides and met at one place, that place is full of greenery, full of forest living animals were there. बहुत बड़ा forest है, and that forest is called Sundarban Delta. Why it is called delta? Because it is in form of triangle. So that's why it is called delta. And there we will find it out, Royal Bengal tiger. Now, which sport does Manchester United play? Manchester United play football. Which is the world's largest country? That is Russia. Russia is about 5 times of India according to its area, according to the space occupied by Russia. Now, which ocean is found to the south of India? That is Indian Ocean. Then which is the longest river flowing in India? That is Ganga river. Ganga river is flowing in India. Now this days also I have told you. Now what you will do it? You will complete this quiz yourself 1 and quiz yourself 2 in your book, and you will read out all these questions, learn it also, and the basic GK questions which we were revising in our class, that you have to do it. So for today you have to complete quiz yourself 1, which is given on page number 32, and quiz yourself 2, which is given on page number 72. and today we are going to finish our class here. I hope you all have enjoyed. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.